Good morning. We are starting off our San Diego leg here in El Cajon at Summers Past Farms. Now, my maiden name is Summers, so I cannot resist stopping at a place that has our name in it. So this led us to this wonderful place. They have a little coffee bar, a nursery, a gift shop. Look behind me, it is beautiful. So we're gonna go in, have breakfast. Summers Past Farms really was such a great little find on our way into San Diego. It's right off the freeway and the perfect way for us to pick up some great coffee, a donut, and of course, enjoy the flowers. Just an adorable place. You wander through the gardens. You can even buy plants or flowers here if you'd like. And there's a lovely coffee bar. Grab some breakfast and some brew and hang out in the lovely San Diego County weather. It is so well set up for families with a playground and wide open spaces for the kids to run and play. Comment below with the name of your favorite local garden. We love finding new places to explore. We loved that every section has seating, so you can find somewhere to relax in the gardens and enjoy the flowers and the birds. We also loved shopping at the gift shop. The people there were so nice, and there were lots of different items for your home and, of course, for your garden there. Then it was out to Cabrillo National Monument, where our America the Beautiful Pass got us in for free. I imagine if this was a clear day, you could see all of downtown San Diego. You might be able to see a little bit of the Coronado Bridge. Oh well, marine layer. In our search for the way up to the lighthouse, we found our way down to the tide pools. This view just made my jaw drop. I love the way the mesa-like structures jut out in layers into the Pacific Ocean. So there's a trail up to the lighthouse and a little walk down to the Cabrillo statue, where I'm gonna go right now. The park is open every day, 9 to 5 with few exceptions, and with some extended summer hours too. There is plenty to explore here, even if you are, like us, on a limited time schedule. And if you are a hiker, this is a wonderful find. So much to see and do, and with views like these, even the casual visitor will enjoy their time here. And if you love history, this is the place to be. With easy-to-read information and a great visitor center, you can soak up a little West Coast history here. On the way in and out, you will see the beautiful Fort Rosecrans National Cemetery, which was one of 7 military national cemeteries created between the World Wars. Headstones set out in the uniform pattern overlooking the striking views of San Diego and the Pacific Ocean were emotional for us to see. We made our way down to Seaport Village, a recommended stop on its own, had lunch at the Cheesecake Factory before heading for our hotel. This location provides free breakfast, and you know we love free. We took a few hours to unpack and relax, as well as enjoy the super cool architecture of the city. before heading to dinner with our cousins at the Chicken Pie Shop. The Chicken Pie Shop is a San Diego institution. It's been in the city since 1938. Yes, that's 84 years in business, and is open 10 to 8, Tuesday through Sunday. And yes, you're seeing that right, $12.95 for a full dinner, including dessert. Breakfast is served all day, so if you're not in the mood for chicken pie, you can still have a lot of choices. But the chicken pie is amazing, as is the blueberry pie. This is a place we will recommend to everyone and return to each time we're in the area. The next morning found us on the waterfront. Good morning, everyone. We are starting out in San Diego today. This is actually our second morning. We stayed about a block away from here last night at a Hampton Inn, very well located right on the waterfront, right next to this. Now, the Maritime Museum is a bit pricey, but if you have the time and you have the money, totally worth it. These tall ships are so cool. We're gonna actually head to LA today, see Jason and Liz, do some fun things up in that area before heading home. Still hoping for poppies. We'll see where it leads us. Please take a moment to hit that like button. It helps our channel more than you know. You could have a wonderful lunch at any of these super cool restaurants, enjoy the walk around the harbor, or even visit the USS Midway. The Midway is open every day 9 to 5, and admission is $26 for adults, 18 ages 6 to 12, and veterans with ID. Active duty military, law enforcement, and firefighters are free, as are children under 5. But we were here for the art installation of The Greatest Generation at Tuna Harbor. The Greatest Generation collection, as well as other military memorials in the park, honor and celebrate the people, events, and military heritage spanning the time from World War II to present day. With pieces located all over the grounds and views of the Midway, it makes for a beautiful morning stroll and a wonderful way to honor our veterans. The Hawaiian coral trees just made it even more beautiful. Good morning. Just a few more sights to see in San Diego. We're gonna run around here a little bit more. And in the video here, our night here was beautiful. It is all lit up. Unfortunately, I was driving and couldn't take photos, but that's okay. We will definitely make it back to San Diego again soon. However, here's a brand new place I've never been, and one I totally treasure. Never been out to the giant statue or the national salute to Bob Hope and the military park. It is stunning. But we have been on the USS Midway. If you have never been on an aircraft carrier, it is an amazing opportunity to see how these people lived and worked and served our country. It is one of the coolest sights to come see in San Diego.
But it's been wonderful. I'm very thrilled to be here. I really have nothing new to report from the States. You know, the States, that's where Churchill lives. Well, he doesn't like the liver. He just goes back once in a while to deliver Mrs. Roosevelt's laundry. boy. He's been around. He's been in Casablanca more than Humphrey Bogart. Well, I really had a wonderful trip. Wherever I went, the soldiers posted me, and now I'm back. The guys who stand getting hot but for just so long. You know, the weather down there is like it is here. Of course, they have a light sprinkle now and then. Light sprinkle, that's South Pacific. From there, the boats boys, the island disappeared again.
Okay, everyone, we're gonna sign off right now. Take off for a few more sites in San Diego. I'm gonna tag those at the bottom of this video so you can enjoy what San Diego looks even on a gloomy looking day. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you next time. The area near the waterfront is the Gas Lamp Quarter. It was created in 1850, and its colorful history combined with its modern day shops, galleries, and restaurants just adds so much beauty and charm to the waterfront district. We love staying here near the water and enjoying the architecture and, of course, the public art. Can't wait to come back again and explore it a little bit more. Thank you for joining us today. Next time, we get to treat you to a backstage private tour of a Los Angeles institution, Clifton's Republic. And you will get to find out if we ever found those poppies at the Antelope Poppy Preserve. So make sure to hit that red button to subscribe and the little bell next to it so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video.